Hello guys, now we're going to be creating a shopping app that is going to be a one-stop all app. So what I'm thinking about this app is I'm going to put in few buttons for some common shopping websites, and whenever you click on that button it's going to redirect you to the web page of that website. Okay, so I'm just going to call it as a shopping app, and I'm going to hit the create button. Now, for my app, for the design, what I want to be doing is I just want to put in 4 buttons, and I just want to make the buttons large and circular. So this is my button right here. I'm just going to zoom out the screen a tiny little bit. Okay, I'm going to put a label on the top that says my shopping app. Okay, I'm gonna also make it larger in size, and the alignment should be in the middle. Perfect. So I have the first button. Now I'm gonna show you a small trick today, which is going to be to duplicate buttons or any other thing in this case. First of all, I want to remove the background color, so I just hit this button. These are like, so the last one is for transparent. Now I want to go to image, and I have already downloaded 4 images for the websites, for example, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Wish. I'll start by selecting the Amazon icon, and once I do that, can you see that the Amazon icon gets uploaded? I'll just rename my button, and I'll call it button Amazon, so that when I'm coding, it's slightly easier for me to understand which is which. Now, to duplicate this, again, I'm going to click on this 3 dots, and I'm going to hit the duplicate button. Once I do that, I'm going to get the same exact thing. I'll just place it here. I'll maybe call it button eBay, and I'm just gonna change the picture this time, and I'll click on upload file, and I'll select the eBay picture. Perfect. So you see how it's working. Okay, for my buttons, maybe I'm gonna give it a tiny border because it's not clearly visible. Perfect. For this one, the same thing. So I'm selecting the plain border, giving it the black color, and I want the line to be pretty thin, so I'm just selecting one. Great. Now I'm just going to duplicate this button as well. So click on the 3 dots and then duplicate. Select duplicate again. Now just drag it, and I'm going to be putting it here. Perfect. Now for this one, I'm going to call it button Etsy. And again, I'm just going to change the picture. So it's pretty much the same thing, guys, over and over again. Okay, and I just need to duplicate it one last time. So you can put in as many as you want. I think I'm just going to put 4 for today. So the last website for me is going to be Wish. Now you can put in websites that is used frequently in your country or at your house. have all the 4 shopping websites that I wanted, and that's kind of okay. Let me just maybe give a tiny background color. I'm just going to select screen from here. Now the properties, I'll just select a very light background color. Okay, and for this button, maybe I'm just going to give it a background color that is going to be white. Okay, yes, perfect. Great.